Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Keon of Key Investments, and on my channel we discuss various topics including personal finance, savings, dividend investing, and just general financial literacy. So if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, go ahead and hit subscribe below and let's get started. Let's get started with the overall value of my the total portfolio. Right now I'm at $8,331 and the markets are open, so you can kind of see it fluctuating as I make this video. Today I'm up 0.41%, which is $34.35. Over the past week I am up $72, which is 0.86% of my portfolio. And the past month I'm up 5.97%, which is $469. And over the past 3 months I'm up 12.76%, which is $943.61. And for the past year I'm up 15%, which I am very proud of. I feel like I've been making some really great investment decisions when it comes to this portfolio. So I'm up $1,116.30. As I'm speaking, it's still moving up, which is great. I'm really thankful for that. Few different things here I want to go over with you today. Different sales. I've sold a few things and I've purchased some new things. I've told you guys in the past that I'm actually trying to move it more into a dividend investing portfolio, which means that I'm solely interested or more interested in buying stocks that offer dividends. I feel like that'd be is to prepare for my future. I want to shy more away from the growth stocks and move more into the value stocks and stocks that offer dividends. So I still have a few or several growth stocks in my portfolio. I don't plan on selling them like just right away. I'll just decide when the best time to sell them is. But I'm very adamant about the buy and hold strategy. I feel like the more trades you make, the higher the chance for you to make a mistake. So buying and holding has been a strategy that's worked for me consistently. So I still have some growth stocks, and speaking of one of my growth stocks that are doing really well right now, one of them is the Square, ticker symbol SQ, which is Square Cash App. You guys may be familiar with it. It's a fairly new company, but it's been doing really well in the market. So my average cost of Square is $62.53. I've got four shares of Square, as you can see here, and currently I'm up $89.50, which is 35%. I'm up 35% on this position, and that's pretty awesome considering how low my average cost is. I'm pretty satisfied with this position, so I may not sell it anytime soon. Also, I just got an alert earlier that showed me that Square actually just hit its all-time high, like its 52-week all-time high. So it seems like everything's going really swell with this company, so I'm pretty excited about that. So I'll probably keep this around for a little longer. I probably won't be adding to the position though. So just see how the growth goes, and I will more than likely sell when I see fit. So that's one thing. Square's just reached its 52-week high as I'm making this video today. So that's awesome. We're at $84.85 per share, and my average cost is $62.53. So let's get back to the portfolio, and let's take a look at a few of my other positions. You may notice that I no longer have Amazon. I sold Amazon, you guys. So I wanted to free up that money that I had tied into Amazon and purchase more dividend stocks. I just wanted to stick to the plan. And although Amazon is hot as a tamale right now, I had to drop it like a hot potato. So Amazon's out, but I'm using a lot of. I'm going to use the cash that I got from the Amazon to invest in more dividend stocks. So as you can see here, I own Vanguard. Vanguard is the first REIT I've ever owned, and so I'm really excited about this new position. I started by I bought 2 shares of it to start. I'm already up 4%, almost 5%, which is a $8 return, almost $9 return, as you can see here. And so I'm really excited about that. Not only that, if I take a look down here, I just purchased this earlier this month. So that's pretty awesome. As far as the return, I wasn't actually expecting much return as far as growth. As you can see here, I was more so expecting return with the dividends in the future, but so far I'm really happy about how this stock has been performing. I chose this stock because it's not very volatile. It's a fairly old company, and so I've felt the need to purchase in, and I feel my money is very safe in Vanguard. And for those who don't know, a REIT is a real estate investment trust. So it's similar to owning real estate, but not physical properties. It's actually a collection of properties under like a company name, so to speak. So it's kind of based on how well the real estate market does, but it's not as closely related, because if the real estate market goes to crap, you can just sell out. You can just sell your shares of the company, and you can just be out of that position, and you won't be having to hold on to physical buildings or property. Another stock I'm very excited about, it's a new position, is Pfizer that I just invested in. I just purchased in 3 shares of Pfizer. Right now it's currently selling for $36.36, and I have 3 shares, and my average cost is $36.65. Currently down 86 cents or 0.78%, and super excited about Pfizer. For those that don't know, Pfizer is a pharmaceutical company. They're known for products such as Viagra, Diflucan, Lipitor, Zoloft, Xanax, some big names in the pharmaceutical industry, like some household names. They're also Preparation Age, and other like they also have over-the-counter medicine as well, but mostly prescription medicine. This company is like 170 years old, so I am very comfortable having my money in this company, in this stock, in this position. So I'm very excited about this new position. Not only that, but they do offer dividends, and I looked at the dividend chart, and they are very consistent with increasing dividends. Recently, they said they were going to be cutting costs as far as research, so that may affect the stock a little, or the future of the company. But overall, they do have a 4.1% dividend yield, and overall, I'm just it's a huge company, huge, $202 billion market cap. Wow. So, like I said, founded in 1849, so it's like 171 years old or something like that. So, I mean, companies like that, they're not going to go to zero. You don't have to worry about that company, or for one, people are always going to need their medication. So pharmaceutical companies are kind of a good buy-in option for those who are looking to find out what sector they want to start in. I would suggest pharmaceuticals. So I love my tech companies, especially for growth. But as far as the long-term investments, The older companies, pharmaceutical companies, are a good way to start, and especially because a lot of them offer dividends. So just a little something to take into account. It's actually one of the top 3 pharmaceutical companies in the world. So with that being said, Pfizer, I'm super excited about that new position. I've got 3 shares so far, but I'm definitely going to be increasing that position in the future. With that being said, I'm just going to wrap it up. Thank you guys for tuning in. Yeah, until next time.